Welcome to Alphabet Quest by the Monster Crew. Today, we're going on an adventure in the snowy mountains, where we'll look for letters of the alphabet to help us find a secret code to unlock a message. Are you ready for the adventure? Let's go! Hey guys, welcome to the snowy mountains. For this adventure, we'll have a guide. Meet Pete the Penguin. So Pete, I'm going to check my phone for our first clue. Are you ready? We're looking for the letter that all of these words start with. Umbrella, umpire, underwear. Let's think. Umbrella, umpire, underwear. Those words all start with the letter U. This is an uppercase U. This is a lowercase u. So if you see any uppercase U's or lowercase U's, be sure to let me know. Pete, can you show our friends where to go so they can look for the letter U? Do you see them? Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 U's here. Since there were 5 letter U's, that means that the first number in our secret code is the number 5. Great job! Let's keep going. I have our next clue. We're looking for the letter that all these words start with. Cookies, cat, cupcake. Oh, those words all start with the letter C. This is an uppercase C, and this is a lowercase c. So if you see any uppercase C's or lowercase c's, be sure to let me know. Do you see them? Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 letter C's here. Because there were 4 letter C's, the second number in our secret code is the number 4. Nice work! Let's keep going. I have our next clue. We're looking for the letter that all of these words start with. Book, bike, butterfly. Let's think. Book, bike, butterfly. Oh, those words all start with the letter B. This is an uppercase B, and this is a lowercase b. So if you see any uppercase B's or lowercase b's, be sure to let me know. Do you see them? Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 letter B's here. Because there were 6 letter B's, the third number in our secret code is the number 6. Nice work! Let's keep going. We only need one more number to crack the secret code. And I have our next clue. We're looking for the letter that all these words start with. Nachos, ninja, narwhal. Oh, those words all start with the letter N. This is an uppercase N, and this is a lowercase n. So if you see any uppercase N's or lowercase n's, be sure to let me know. Do you see them? Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 letter N's here. Because there were 3 letter N's, the last number in our secret code is the number 3. We did it! We uncovered the secret code. I'll put the code in now. Are you ready to see the secret message? Small steps lead to big results. Wow, that's so true. In fact, that makes me think of my friend Miguel. He's a great guitar player, but he told me that when he first started to learn to play the guitar, he thought he would never be able to play a song. There were just so many things to remember, like the different notes and how to place his hands. But you know what? He kept going even though it was hard. He just took one step at a time. And now look at him. He's great at playing the guitar. Thanks so much for joining me on this alphabet quest at the Snowy Mountains. Until next time.